All right, so there is some craziness going on with the iPhone folding phone, as they're calling it, which is going to end up being a 12-inch display. Like, ridiculous. Like, so ridiculous, it's unbelievable. And I have questions about a massive 12-inch display being a phone. But this is reportedly what it's going to look like. Here's another look at what it potentially could look like. This looks more like a folding phone, like a traditional Galaxy Z folding phone, but not like a 12-inch tablet phone. But I wanted to go through these tweets from Jucan and just kind of talk about it. So basically, features a large folding mechanism on the left rear side, folded thickness 9.2 millimeters, which is kind of thick, but it's definitely thicker than the folding phones we have now, and a single side thickness of 4.6. The internal screen is compared to two 6.1-inch folded displays, which total over 12 inches, which at that point, this cannot be a phone. There's not going to be a 12-inch phone that Apple puts out. It's going to be a tablet. It's got to be a tablet. So I don't know why they keep calling it an iPhone, but we'll just roll with the iPhone for now. Fall 2026 launch of this, 2027 launch of the foldable iPad MacBook. But this, even if they come out with a folding phone, it cannot be 12 inches. It just can't. June 2025, Foxconn's exclusive NPI, which is new product introduction, is underway with mass production expected by late 2025 or early 2026. Sales volumes, 8 to 10 million units, 2027 up to 20 million. Again, maybe because, a lot of people buy Apple products, but there's no one buying a 12-inch phone. I mean, not a million people, I don't think. Screen, display exclusively developed by Samsung under the ultra-thin glass, blue, exclusive R&D, currently priced at $90 to $100. Screen support frame options such as titanium alloy, stainless steel, or carbon fiber are yet to be finalized. Dude, that alone, a 12-inch display with any and all of that is going to be like $5,000. It's going to be so expensive, especially coming from Apple. They almost always like double what other companies put their stuff at, especially when it's like a new product. Mid-frame would cost 80 to 90. PCB flexible board value is expected to be increased by 70%. Camera, here's some optics. Front camera adopts meta lens, ultra-thin technology. The technology solution is provided by Apple. Lenses are in development. Rear camera, both the main and ultra-wide, adopt a hybrid glass plastic structure. Lens provided by Largan. That'd be one of the things I would think that they would end up doing, is like maybe not putting 3 camera lenses, only putting 2, even though they could definitely fit 3 on a 12-inch display. Having a 5,000 milliamp battery, which doesn't even sound that big on a 12-inch display. It actually sounds pretty small. But I guess if you're trying to keep the weight down, then you probably would do something like that. Battery cells are 3D stacked, exclusive, developed by ATL. All of this just sounds terribly expensive. All of this sounds like a foldable tablet, not a foldable phone at 12 inches. It can't. If they come out with a foldable phone, I would expect it to be somewhat similar to what they're doing with the Galaxy Z Fold phones, like that size, like 7 to 8 inches. I don't think we're at 12 inches for that. I don't even know if I'd want that. Like, I would think in my mind and be like, definitely, sounds awesome. I want it. But at the same time, I'm like, nah, that just can't be right. It can't be. It sounds ridiculous. So there's a lot of stuff that's not sounding completely right in this. The size, the name. Release date, yeah, because we keep hearing 2026. But the cost is going to be extraordinary. Yeah, extraordinary. My question out to you guys is, what do you think the cost of this 12-inch folding tablet phone thing would be? Or even if they came out with just a regular size folding phone like this, what do you think the price would be? Samsung's basically $2,000. I would guess Apple's going to be $2,500 or $3,000. Let me know your thoughts. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.